Okay, guys, we got a red, we got a blue, we got a white, and we got a light blue. So let's go take them out and shoot them and pop them. Okay, let's go. Some tack on it. Very, very lethal. Could probably hurt someone very bad. What we're going to do is we're going to put 2 balloons here. Just 1, 2, and then we're going to get another balloon, just 1, right here. That's going to be the first one we're going to try, just to test it out. Then I think what we're going to do is we're going to throw one up. Right here, and I'm just going to do this slow motion and then that. So let's just get left except for some creepy balloon thing. Let's get this out of here. Come on, go. Rest in peace. Okay. Gotta move on from that. And the right one, we ripped off. Just gonna blow it up. And then hopefully, I'm gonna get my gun up. You need to make sure you have your notifications on so you can be first like. And if you are first like this person, gameplay, then you will get shouted out like in this video, and you will also get pinned like gameplay. So gameplay, whoever you are, you're the best. You're awesome. Thanks for having your notifications on, and thanks for liking the video. And if you're first like, you need to do the same thing too. You need to comment that down below. So the only way you can have your notifications on is if you're subscribed. Okay, I gave you the chance to do that. If you didn't do that, then what are you doing? You need to subscribe. And now you need to watch my last video because it's a good video. I was jumping into leaves. Go watch that. Okay guys, I hope you did both of that. And if you did do that, you're a good person and you're going to succeed in life. So, see you guys. If you are first like, you will get shouted out. So, bye.